Hey, what's up, guys? So, today we have with us one of the trending gadget of the time, that is a virtual reality headset. So, I have purchased it from Amazon.com at a price tag of rupees 1999, that is 2000 approximate. So, this is from the Aura VR. I have just surfed the internet and I was looking for a lot of the headsets which are available on various websites. So at this price tag, I think this one is nice because one thing I would like to mention, that we are getting a free Bluetooth controller with this, with which you can set or control various screens when you are looking a 360-degree video. So let's start with the unboxing. Alright, I'm excited about this. Whoa. Let's keep this aside. So guys, here is the box of the gadget itself. Not too much detail mentioned on the box. It's a really nice looking packing. I mean, black looks a little classy, however. Oh, here it is. Maximum retail price mentioned is 3500. However, it is available at a price tag of rupees 2000 exclusively on Amazon.com. So let's have a look into the box content. This is the manual of Aura VR Pro virtual reality glasses user manual. Alright, so what else in the box? Here is the gadget itself, guys. This is the virtual reality headset. The straps are really made up of a nice quality material, I must say. It comes with the cushioning, which makes it really comfortable. And what else? So here is a rotator with which you can set the angles of your lenses inside this, as you can see. Yeah, as per the user you can set this one. So from here you can set the distance between the device and the lens. Alright, so from here you can place your device in these expandable holders. As per the company, we can adjust a device from a screen size of 3.5 inches up to 6 inches. Alright, so here we have a covering from which you can remove this. If you're getting a problem in related to sound, you can replace this one, as this will help you in having the better quality of sound. So the locks are made up of magnets, so it is easy to be placed and easy to be removed. It is really nice. So here is a cutting over there in the body. From here you can place your headphones or wire and all that. And the plastic, however, feels a little cracky, but it is really nice. I mean, the build quality is really good. So let's have a look into the other contents of the box. Let's keep this aside. So here is a wiping cloth for the lens, and so here it is, guys. This is the exclusive pack, and we are getting this Bluetooth controller free with only this one, and I don't know for how much time the offer is valid. So if you are really interested in buying this, so please quickly place an order. I don't know about when the order and this scheme overs. So let's have a look into this. So here it is, guys. Aura VR controller. It is a joystick type, like that of your gaming controllers, and here the buttons are really nice, and here you can set for Android and iOS depending upon the device. So it means the headsets are compatible with both Android and iPhones. So let's keep all of these things aside, and so at last I would like to mention that the build quality is really nice, the packing is really classy, the material provided is of good quality, and the price in which you're getting this device is okay. I mean, at a price tag of 2000 rupees, it is a nice, decent, really good looking product. So you can go for the device, for the headsets, and as many of the other headsets are available in the market, like that of Lenovo's Ant VR. The problem with such kind of headsets is that they are open from the sides, so you can't have a virtual reality experience if you are sitting in an intense room where the lights are being switched on. So you can't have a better experience over there. But such kind of problem do not comes with device like this, as it is properly covered, properly cushioned, so it will really be comfortable, and I think must be giving you a really better experience. So we will have another video of this in which we will be reviewing this virtual reality headset after using this with the devices. So up till that, thank you very much for watching the video. Do appreciate our work by liking the channel and subscribing. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.